anyways, the wood chipper, Bob's going to sing a song about an electric wood chipper being brought back into time, into 1600s, 1500s, and a group of people from that era finding it. Mike, do you want to give me any chords that are in B?
A and D.
He always says A. Always says A. All right, give me one more chord too.
C.
Give me one more.
B.
Not B.
F.
F. A, D, C, F. Is that what he said?
That's what he said.
Whoops. Okay, we can work with that. So this, without further ado, this is Beatbox Bob, and then we're gonna get right into trivia time after we got Mike. We got everything tonight. But Beatbox Bob does the electric wood chipper in the 1600s found by local song with the chords that Mikey Flaw gave me. Here we go, Bob. This is what Mikey Flaw gave me.
So there we were. We were in the woods. We were traveling, hunting bear. And the next thing I know, I find this piece of machinery, an automaton. Something crazy that I cannot even comprehend. It is made of glass that doesn't break, porcelain that only bends. It was insanity. There it is. We are trying to work our magic and make it happen. When out of nowhere, a wizard, he walks. He strikes lightning upon the magical machine. And out of nowhere, all of the bears, they run out of the woods, leaving us starving and hopeless. We have no energy for cutting our wood. Lo and behold, the machine starts whirring and a stick falls in it. We found the wood chipper of our love. We found the wood chipper of our dreams. Mosh is innocent and he did nothing wrong on Friday. Nobody knows anything about what Mosh did on Friday. Absolutely not. Nobody has any idea what Mosh was up to on Friday at all. Ever!